Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix screen flickering on Samsung Galaxy A37 5G. So, first thing, these smartphones' display technology causes minor flickering all the time, and it's pretty much visible while we're recording it on camera. Especially if I record it with the lower brightness, it becomes very, very vivid and visible. But it's not something that you would see with the bare eye. It's just the frequency speed that is not recognizable by your eye, and it's not something that we can fix without altering the hardware of this device. But if you experience some app-specific flickering or some abnormal flickering level on your device, first thing that you should do is simply restart your smartphone. So hold down power button and volume down key, select restart, and wait until your smartphone is restarted. Once the smartphone is restarted, the flickering issue should be resolved in most cases. However, if it didn't fix your issue, then make sure to update your device to the latest software version. So go to settings, scroll down to software update, click check for updates. Make sure that your device is connected to the Wi-Fi and has at least 30% of battery. And if you have a software to update, then of course do that. Take your time, and once it's updated, restart your smartphone and check for the result. Now, besides, the last thing that we can do is go to display settings and disable adaptive brightness. From what I said before, lower brightness on our smartphone makes flickering more visible. Maybe in some environments that would actually be visible to a bare eye, although right now I cannot really see anything while I'm looking at the phone. And the adaptive brightness may force your device to sometimes lower the brightness. Therefore, I recommend just setting the brightness to the comfortable level so that you reduce flickering effects and disable adaptive brightness to prevent the brightness level from changing. And so yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.